Hello friends, we're back for some more algebra. And today we're going to still talk about expressions with denominators, but today we're going to be multiplying them, which is actually easier if you can believe it or not. Okay? Now the cool thing about multiplying when it comes to fractions is you don't have to worry about common denominators anymore. So you can just multiply away. And that's pretty easy to do. Turns out when you're multiplying, you just have to multiply the numerators with each other and the denominators with each other. Simple enough. So in this case, x times y is xy, and 5x times 6x is 30x squared. So there you go. That's the answer to that problem. Much simpler. Okay? Now obviously these problems can get really complicated, but for now we're just going to stick with basic stuff. So let's do this one here, which is going to require some distribution. On the bottom, it's still pretty easy. It's just 5y times 6, so that's going to be 30y. But on the top, we're going to have to distribute that 3x into 2x plus 2, so it'll be a little bit harder. 3x times 2x is 6x squared, and 3x times 2 is 6x. There you go. We've got it all figured out. That's our answer. That's simplified. No big deal. So it turns out multiplying isn't that hard when it comes to these expressions with denominators, as long as the stuff inside of them aren't too complicated. Now let me tell you, you will have some more complicated problems than this, and I'll maybe do some in a later video, but for now, we'll just stick with basics. The last thing I wanted to go over though before we end it is what happens if you have to divide. Now, just like in any old fraction, you're going to have to do the reciprocal and multiply, just like what you would do if you had 1/2 divided by 3/4. You know what you do? You just go 1/2 times 4/3. So we're going to do the same thing down here. We have to rewrite the problem as this: 2x divided by 6 times 2x divided by 5x minus 2. And now it's just like all those other problems we did. Ready to go. So 2x times 2x, that's 4x squared. And 6 times 5x minus 2 is 30x minus 12. I hope you found this video informative. And next time, we'll cover polynomials, so we can make sure we have those all settled away before we have to do harder problems. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Algebra. See you again soon.